Hey friends, today I'm gonna share some pro tips for a perfect Swiss roll. But first, smash that like button and subscribe if you enjoy it. Let's get baking. First thing, let your eggs, milk, and butter sit out for a few minutes. Room temp ingredients make your roll much softer and easier to work with. Always sift your flour and cocoa if you're using it. This keeps the texture light and fluffy, no lumps at all. When mixing, fold gently, don't stir too hard. Just fold so the air stays in and your cake stays spongy. Grease your parchment lightly before pouring in the batter. It helps the roll come out easily without sticking. Check your cake with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's ready! Finally, let it rest a few minutes before slicing. Your slices will stay neat and perfect. So, follow these tips and your Swiss roll will come out looking and tasting amazing.